Forget Bitcoin. Forget Tesla. There's an investment quietly turning people into millionaires, and almost no one is talking about it. The wealthy have been using this for years while the average person completely overlooks it. But today, I'm pulling back the curtain to reveal exactly what this is and how you can get in before it's too late. And trust me, once you understand this, you'll see why some of the richest investors keep this a secret. So make sure to watch until the end because I'm not only going to reveal this hidden gem, but I'll also show you exactly how to start investing in it today. But first, like and subscribe for more financial secrets. Now, let's talk about something crazy. While the media is constantly hyping up stocks like Apple, Nvidia, or the latest crypto trend, there's an entire category of investments that have been quietly outperforming traditional markets without the insane volatility. I'm talking about investment name. This is what hedge funds, banks, and ultra-wealthy individuals are using to not only grow their wealth but also to protect it from inflation and market crashes. Yet, barely anyone outside of the financial elite is paying attention. And here's the kicker, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven strategy backed by decades of performance. But before I tell you exactly what it is and how you can invest, let's break down why the mainstream media isn't talking about it. Here's the deal. Banks and institutions don't want the average person to know about this because it would disrupt their business model. They make billions by keeping you stuck in savings accounts earning almost zero interest while they put your money into these high-yielding investments. And if you think that's just a conspiracy, consider this. Why do you think the richest 1% have portfolios filled with assets like this while most people are only told to buy stocks and hold for 40 years? Comment below, have you heard about this before? It's time to break free from that cycle. Because in the next part of this video, I'm going to reveal exactly what this investment is, how it works, and how you can start today, even if you have just a few $100s. Before we jump into the details, if you're finding this valuable, do me a favor, hit that like button so more people can discover this and take control of their financial future. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, because I drop finance secrets like this every single week. There's an investment strategy out there that is quietly making people millionaires, yet almost no one is talking about it. While everyone is chasing stocks, crypto, or real estate, the real wealth builders are using this method. And today, I'm breaking it down for you. Stay till the end because I'm revealing a secret tip that could 10x your returns. Let's go! But why this investment? Did you know that 90% of millionaires have this one thing in common? They aren't just buying stocks. They are using a hidden strategy that has outperformed the market for decades. I'm talking about alternative assets, things like private equity, rare collectibles, and cash-flowing businesses. These are the investments that the ultra-wealthy don't want you to know about. The secret behind it. Let me show you something crazy. If you had invested $10,000 in the S&P 500 10 years ago, you'd have around $35,000 today. Not bad, right? But what if I told you that some of these alternative investments could have turned that into $150,000 or more in the same time frame? The key? Investing in assets that are not tied to the volatile stock market and generate passive income regardless of economic downturns. If you're finding this valuable, smash that like button so more people can discover these millionaire strategies. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button so you never miss wealth-building secrets like this. Examples of high-return alternative investments. So what are these secret investments? Let me break down 3 of the most powerful ones. Cash-flowing businesses. Instead of stocks, many millionaires invest in small businesses that generate predictable income. Think laundromats, car washes, or even online businesses. These provide steady revenue and long-term growth. Private equity and startups. Most people wait for companies to go public, but the biggest gains happen before that. Investing in early-stage companies can lead to exponential returns. Ever heard of people making millions from early investments in Uber, Airbnb, or Tesla? This is how. Rare collectibles and luxury assets. Most people don't think of collectibles as investments, but things like rare watches, vintage wines, and even high-end sneakers have outperformed the stock market over the past decade. The rich know this, and that's why they own these assets. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these alternative investments do you think has the most potential? Drop a comment below. And if you want to deep dive into any of these, let me know. The final secret. Now, for that secret tip I promised you, one of the best ways to get into these investments is through fractional ownership. Platforms now allow you to invest in businesses, private equity, and collectibles with as little as $100. This means you don't need millions to start building real wealth. So, if you're serious about financial freedom, don't just follow the crowd. Look at where the real money is flowing. And if you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button because I'm dropping even more powerful wealth building videos soon. See you in the next one.